Hello everyone. Good afternoon. How are you today? Do you know who I am? Do you know? Do you know who I am? No. Yay. Hi everyone. Okay. You are thinking now, what is this? What is this? This is different type of faces. What is this? Different types of faces. Okay. Today I will teach you different types of faces. That means when we are angry, when we are sad, when we are happy. So we make different type of faces. Our face have different type of expressions. Okay. Facial expressions. First, look here. Which face is first? Look here. Which face is first? Happy. Which face is first? Happy. This is happy face. Happy face. Okay. When you get your doll, toys, chocolates, so how your face was? Happy. You have a big smile on your face. You have a big smile on your face. Okay. Smile all of you. Smile all of you. How you will smile? Like this. How you will smile? Like this. Yeah, a big smile on your face. How you smile? Like a big smile on your face. Yes. When we are happy, we have big smile on our face. When mama gave me toys, doll, so I was very happy. That time I was very happy. So our first face, expression of face is happy. Happy. Which face is this? Happy. When I am happy na, so I have a big smile on my face. So which face is this? Happy. Which face is this? Happy. Repeat with me. Happy. And a big smile on your face. Give big smile. Yes, yes, big smile. And which face is this? Happy. This is happy face. Which face is this? Happy face. Okay. H A P P Y. Happy. H A P P Y. Happy. When we are happy, we have a big smile. What we have? Big smile on our face. Okay. The next face is sad. Next face is sad. Look here. I am very sad today. Why? Because I can't able to go to my school and study. So I am very sad today. Oh, you are sad today or happy? You are sad today or happy? Happy. You are not sad. Happy. Yes. This face is sad. Sad. How you make your face sad? Sad. Sad face. How you make your face sad? Sad. There is no smile on the face. Okay. This is a sad face. Which face is this? Sad. Look here. Sad. I am very sad because my mother has gone to do work. So I am very sad. Okay. I don't get chocolate today, so I am very sad. This is sad face. Which face is this? Sad. Okay. Look here, sad. You are sad today or happy? You are sad or happy? Tell me. Happy or sad? Which one? This one. You are happy today? Yes, good. What is this? Sad. Which face is this? Sad. There is no smile on the face. There is no smile on the face. So today I am sad, but now I become happy. But now I will become happy and I will have big smile on my face. Okay. Sad. Which face is this? Sad. S-A-D. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Which face is this? Sad. Which face is this? Happy. Which face is this? Happy. Okay. Now, which face is next? Angry. Which face is this? Angry. When you are angry, angry means gussa. Okay, angry. Which face is this? Angry. And how you make your face? When you are angry, how you make your face? Make like this. That means you are angry. Okay. That means you are angry. Okay. How you make face angry face? How you make angry face? Okay. That means you are angry. When you are angry, tell me. When you are angry, when mama, papa or anyone don't listen to you, that time you are angry now. Or if you don't get your favorite things or toys, at that time you became angry. Okay. This is angry face. Which face is this? Angry face. This is happy face. This face is sad. And this face is angry. Which face is this? Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Which face is this? Angry. Okay. Which face is this? Angry. Which face is this? Happy. Which face is this? Sad. Which face is this? Angry. Okay. And next face is cry. Which face is this? Cry. Tell me, which face is this? Cry. What do you mean cry? जब आप रोते हो ना, cry. Your tears, big tears come from your eyes. Top. है ना? Which face is that? Cry. Which face is that? Cry. When tears come from your eyes, big tears come from your eyes. Which face is that? Cry. Which face is that? Cry. Okay. Which face is that? Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Which face is this? Cry. Which face is this? Cry. Okay. When tears come from your eyes, that facial expression is cry. That facial expression is cry. Okay. Which face is this? Happy. Which face is this? Sad. Which face is this? Angry. Which face is this? Cry. Which face is this? Cry. Okay. The next face is scared. Next face is scared. Scared means जब आप डर जाते हो ना, जब आप डर जाते हो कैसा फेस बनाते हो आप? Scared. You make face like this. Scared. You make face like scared. Okay. When you see horror movie, na, you get scared. Oh mama, how you make scared? Oh, scared. How you make your face? Scared. Okay. Which face is this? Scared. S-C-A-R-E scared means डरा हुआ face. Whenever you see horror movie or you just imagine something and you get scared. Scared. Okay. Which face is this? Scared. Scared. How you make your face? Scared. Okay. Which face is this? Scared. Which face is this? Scared. Okay. Today we have learned 5 types of facial expressions. How many faces we have learned today? 5 types of facial expressions. First is happy. Which face is this? Happy. A big smile. Second face is sad. Sad. Third face is angry. Which face is this? Angry. Then fourth face is cry. Fourth face is cry. Fifth face is scared. Scared. Fifth face is scared. Okay. Now you tell me, which face is this? Which face is this? Happy. Yes. Happy. Which face is this? Scared. Tell me, which face is this? Scared. Okay. Which face is this? Cry. Which face is this? Cry. Which face is this? Angry. Which face is this? Angry. Which face is this? Sad. Sad. Which face is this? Sad. Okay. Today we have learned 5 facial expressions. First, happy. Which face is this? Happy. 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 Double P. 2 times P is there, so we will say double P. Happy. Happy. This face is sad. This face is sad. S-A-D. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Which face is this? Angry. Which face is this? Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Cry. Cry, crying, 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 crying. A big tears come from your eyes. Cry. Which face is this? Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Then scared. Which face is this? Scared. C-S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Okay. Today we have learned 5 types of facial expressions. Happy, sad, angry, cry and scared. How many types of face we have learned today? 5. 5 types of facial expressions we have learned today. Happy, sad, angry, cry, scared. Okay. I will ask you. Now I will ask you. You have to tell the name of the facial expressions. Which face is this? Tell me. Tell me. Yes. Yes. Sad. Very good. You are a good children. Clap for yourself. Yes. Which face is this? Tell me. Tell me. Yes, Neet. Tell me which face is this? Which face is this? Angry. Yes, this is angry face. Very good. Which face is this? Cry. Which face is this? Cry. Very good. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good, children. Good. Which face is this? Scared. Very good. Which face is this? Yes, 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 yes. The voice is coming. Yes, I'm listening to you. Scared. Very good. And which face is this? Tell me. Which face is this? Happy. Very good. Which face is this? Happy. A big smile on the face. Happy. Which smile is this? A big smile. Which smile is this? A big smile. This is a happy face. Yes, very good. Very good, children. Clap for yourself. Very good, good. Okay. Now, after this, we will do revision. Okay? What we will do? Revision. In last lecture, I have teach you parts of body. What I have teach you? Parts of body. Okay? Now we will do revision of parts of body. What we will do? Revision. We will do revision of parts of body. We have learned the parts of body in previous lecture. Yes, you remember the name of the parts of body? You remember parts of body? Okay. First we will do revision, then afterwards I will ask you. Okay? Afterwards I will ask you. Tell me which part is this? Okay, first I will tell to you, then you repeat after me. First I will say, then you repeat after me. Head, eyes, 2 eyes, 1, 2, ears, 1, 2, ears, head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth. What is this? Mouth. Lips. What is this? Lips. Teeth. What is this? Teeth. Tongue. What is this? Tongue. What is this? Chin. What is this? Neck. What is this? Neck. Shoulder. What is this? Shoulder. Very good. What is this? Hands. What is this? Hands. How many hands we have? 1, 2. How many hands we have? 1, 2. Fingers. What is this? Fingers. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? How many fingers? 10 fingers. Okay? What is this? Stomach. Stomach. What is this? Stomach. What we eat, it go in our stomach. What we eat, it go in our stomach. Okay? Then what is this? Knee. What is this? Knee. What is this? Knee. What is this? Leg. What is this? Leg. We jump, we run, we walk, we dance. Okay? This is our leg. How many legs we have? 2. How many legs we have? 2. Okay. Look here. Again we will start with parts of body. Okay. Let us start. What is this? Tell me. What is this? Head. What is this? Head. What is this? Head. Eyes. What is this? Eyes. What is this? Eyes. Then after eyes, nose. What is this? Nose. How many nose we have? 1. How many nose we have? 1. We smell with our nose. Yes or not? Yes. We breathe with our nose. Okay, what is this? Nose. Mouth. What is this? Mouth. Mouth. We speak with our mouth. Teeth. Tongue. Okay. Mouth. After mouth, look here. Teeth. What is this? Teeth. Tongue. What is this? Tongue. Yes, very good. Neck. What is this? Neck. This is our neck. Neck. What is this? Neck. Then hands. Hands. We have 2 hands. How many? 2. Hands. Hands. Okay. Fingers. Fingers. How many fingers we have? 10. How many fingers we have? 10. What is this? Fingers. Then after fingers, leg. What is this? Leg. And this is knee. Okay. Knee. Leg. What is this? Leg. Okay. What is this? Leg. We walk with our leg. We run with our leg. Jump with leg. Okay. What is this? This is parts of body. Today we have learned different types of faces and we have done revision of parts of body. We have done revision of parts of body. Okay. And after that what I have teach you? What I have teach you? I have teach you sense organs? Yes or not? I have teach you sense organs. What I have teach you? Sense organs. Okay. How many organs are there? How many sense organs are there? Do you remember? Do you remember? How many sense organs are there? 5. How many sense organs are there? 5. How many? 5. How many sense organs are there? 5. There are 5 sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Okay. May I know the name of 5 sense organs? In previous lecture we have learned 5 sense organs. So let me tell the name of 5 sense of organs. First one is eyes. First one is eyes. First sense organs is eyes. What do we do with our eyes? What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. What we do? We see with our eyes. Okay. What you see? Your mother, father and things around you. Okay. First sense organs is eyes. Okay. Then second, nose. Nose. There are 5 sense organs. First, eyes. Second, nose. Okay. Nose. What we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. Your mother make yummy food now. So you know, huh, mama, you have making Maggie for us. Oh, what is smell of Maggie? We smell with our nose. We breathe with our nose. Okay. Then after that is tongue. Tongue. Okay. What is this? Tongue. What we do? We taste. Taste with our tongue. Taste with our tongue. What is this? Tongue. Taste with our tongue. Oh, Mama, what a yummy cake. It's a yummy cake. Ah, what a cold ice cream. It is so cool. Taste with our tongue. The next is ears. Which ears? We hear with our ears. Okay. First nose, eyes, second nose, tongue, ears. What is this? Ears. We hear with our ears. Mama, wait, I am coming. You hear with your ears. Hear with our ears. Then last is skin. Last is skin. Skin. Whenever somebody pinch it, it's hurting. It's hurting. Okay, whenever you touch cold things, it's very cold. When you touch hot water, it's very hot. That means you feel from your skin. We feel with our skin. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, skin. Okay? What is skin? There are 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. Okay? Today we have done revision of parts of body and sense organs. Okay? So you have to do practice at your home. You have to repeat the name of the parts of body and what our sense organs is doing. Okay? And we have learned 5 types of facial expressions today. Okay, we will repeat only, but after that, okay. This is smile, happy, scared, crying, angry, sad. Okay, always smile at your home. Bye. Have a nice day.